Hey everyone, welcome to my channel SpecInfo. Today I'm gonna show you how to download a Tetrabit Virus Maker and how to make a virus from the Tetrabit Virus Maker, and we will see how actually our virus will work in a victim machine. So let's start. Before that, if you are new to my channel, so subscribe me and click on the notification icon to get every notification of my latest video. So let's start. Here I am using Windows 7 as my hacker machine, and my victim machine will be Windows XP. So let's start. Open your Chrome browser. You can open your any favorite browser. I will suggest you not to perform these tasks in your physical machine because the file we are downloading from the internet, it will contain some virus, so it can harm your physical machine. So it is my Chrome browser. Now type Tetrabit Virus, download. You can download 3.2 or 3.0 as you wish. This is 3.0 link. I will use 3.2. I am having 3.2 in my system. So it will take for 30 seconds. You can read all the agreement and then you can download it. So click on just download. It will be downloaded. I have already downloaded, so I will show you where it is in my files. Here it is in C drive, in viruses, and here it is Tetrabit Virus Maker 3.0. When you will download, it will be in a zip format, so you have to extract it. So right click and extract all, extract in the same location. So this is my extracted file, Tetrabit 3.2. so open it, Tetrabit Virus Maker. See my location, it is in virus, Tetrabit Virus Maker, and then one more file will open and click on it. So two files will be open. First will be readme. This is the basic information about the Tetrabit Virus Maker, when who is the founder and when it is made and so on. And the second one is Tetrabit Virus Maker. So open it and click on run. So this is how our Tetrabit Virus Maker looks like. So this is my binder. You can bind your virus in text document or image or anything. You just have to click on bind and go to browser. Just click on binder and go to browser. Now select text document. I have created already one text document named SpecInfo. So you can see here it is a notepad. So it is a text document. So you can create it. Now to select, click on it and click the open. Now the file has been selected for binder. Now run command, custom command. We don't have to do anything with that. Now add fake size. You can add fake size to your virus. The maximum size you can add is 51200. Now the file name I am leaving as default. The file icon will be set up. You can change that. Now file name will be installed. After the victim install, it will be named as install.exe. Now this is all the tasks we have to assign to virus, so it will perform in the victim machine. So we just have to take it. So first is avoid opening calculator. I am clicking this. Now avoid opening copy paste window, so more avoid opening notepad. I am also clicking on this. Now disable printer, disable Windows firewall. So you can disable the Windows firewall. After that you can do the Trojan and spyware attack on the system, so the victim will not understood whether his system is Trojan or something has wrong in this system. Now funny keyboard, funny mouse, disable Windows team format or hard drive. I'm not going to do this because it will crash my system, so I'm not selecting that. So hide desktop icon, I'm doing this. Hide taskbar, we will see this how it looks like. Now spread with folders, I'm not doing this. Now turn off monitor. You can turn off the monitor, turn off computer after 5 minutes. The victim machine will be get shut down after every 5 minutes. Swap the mouse button, it will, the right click will become the left click, and left click will become the right click. So that's all. This is all the tasks. You can assign all the tasks also to one single virus. You just have to click on it and then create virus. After you click on the create, one file location will be look on the screen. Then I have saved this in the desktop. You can save wherever you want. So I can see the file in my desktop, name install, and the logo is of setup. See, refresh it. Now you can see it install and logo is of setup. So what I will do is I will take this file in my pen drive. This is my pen drive. So I will inject my pen drive in my system. Now how to connect your pen drive to the virtual machine. So click on the device. Now click on USB. Now this first option is my jet flash is my pen drive, so click on it. Now in few seconds my pen drive will be connected. So continue without scanning, open folder to view files. Now what I will do, I will copy the install file, the virus one, and I will paste in my pen drive. So copy it and I will paste in my pen drive. Paste it. So this file contains all the viruses, so we can perform this on the victim machine. I will suggest you not to do with your friends and it will crash any system. So what we will do now, we will give this file to victim, and when the victim will open this file, the virus will work as tasks assigned by us. So I will eject the pen drive, the same procedure, go to devices, now USB, now uncheck the first box. Now I will open my victim machine, that is nothing but my Windows XP. So I will go to my virtual box and I will select Windows XP and start. So it will start my Windows XP in few seconds. So it is starting virtual machine and my Windows machine has been started. So it's loading. Now it will give me the password page. Some notification will be appear, so you can simply uncheck that, no problem, in virtual machine. Now this is my Windows machine and I will log in to my admin password login. So I will type my password and click enter. So I am in my XP machine now. This is my XP machine, Windows XP, you can see it, and this is my Windows XP. So what I will do, same, I will connect my USB by going to devices, click on USB, then jet flash, click on that, and my USB will be connected. So to go to the USB drive, I will go to start, my computer, and removable disks, where it is, here it is, last, pen drive E. So now I will copy the install file. You can also go to the text document in which we have finded the virus, no problem, but I am doing with this file. So I will paste it on the desktop. If the victim will download from email, so it will directly locate to the setup folder in your system and save as install. So your victim will have no clue that this install file contain any viruses, right? So this is my icon, you can see it, it's looking, this is my start button, and I will open the notepad. So you can see that my notepad is working very properly. I can type anything and my notepad is working perfectly, you can see it. Now after when I will open that startup file, my system will be in trouble and all the tasks we have assigned to virus, it will perform that. See, my notepad is working, right? So now I will close this notepad. I will close this notepad and I will open the file which I have copied. So this is the file install one, so I will open. Now see, it's not opening, right? So see, now our start button has been disabled, our icon has been disabled. You can also disable your background. Your nothing is on taskbar. Taskbar is disabled, taskbar is in, but nothing is. Now I will open notepad. See, notepad is not opening, notepad is disabled. Nothing is showing on taskbar. You can see taskbar is disabled. You can also hide the wallpaper. You can also power off the system. You can do anything. See, you can play beep sound every second. You can play the beep sound and slow down the pieces, and so many tasks you can do. As we can see in the list, you just have to check the boxes and create the virus and perform on the victim machine. That's it guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like my content, give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more interesting video. And if you want some specific video on lab setup, how to set up a virtual lab and how to prevent this kind of attacks, so please comment me. I will definitely make some videos on your requests. Thank you.